Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, today we are going to discuss the following topic: Object as class data member in Java program. So let us start with Object as class data member. Right. So first of all, class is a collection or binding together of data members and methods as single unit. So class is a collection of data members and methods as a single unit or binding together of data members and methods as a single unit. Okay, right. So example, let us take class A. Inside this class A, we'll take two data members, int x comma y, and we'll take one method, void display method. Okay, now inside this display method we'll display the values of A and B. So now what is object as class data member? So here what are the data members? The data members are x and y. These are primitive data types. Okay, so here x comma y are data members of primitive data type int. So int is the primitive data type. So now object of one class as a data member in your class. Okay, right. So let us do object of class A. Okay, object of one class as a data member in your class is called as composition or aggregation, or sometimes it is also called as aggregation. So object of another class as a data member in our class is called composition or aggregation. Example goes like this. So let us say we have class B. Okay, so inside class B, okay, let us say that we have class A. Okay, so class A object as data member. Okay, so this is called as aggregation or composition. Okay, so instead of having primitive data type data members, I am having class A object as data member. So this object can be used in any method of class B. Okay, so this obj of class A can be used in any method of class A of class B. Okay, so advantage is reusability of code. Reusability of code. So using object of class A, we can access its data members and methods in class B. That is, using obj of class A, we can access its members in class B. So this is what is reusability of code, and technically it is known as a relationship. Has a relationship. Okay, so has a relationship, having object of another class in your class as data member is known as has a relationship. So let us try to implement this in the form of a small program. Object as class data member. Okay, right. Dot Java. So program to demo object as class data member. Right. So let us try to take this with a new program. Take a new page. First we'll write the comments. Description of a program. So we'll take our main class object as class data member dot Java. Now here we'll write the main method. Public static void main string of args. So first of all, let us save this program in our example 1. We'll take it. Object as class data member example 1. So let us save this program in our working directory. Object as class data member example 1 dot Java. Right. So we'll take initially class A with the data members int x comma y. Primitive data type data members x comma y void display. Okay. Right. So here we'll say system dot out dot println. Okay. So class A, okay, will display x value and y value. So x value plus x. So similarly y value plus y. Okay, right. Now let us take class B. In class B we will use class A object as data member. Instead of primitive data types data member, class A object as data member. Okay, right. So now here we'll take other methods like void m1. Okay, right. So using this object in m1 method, okay, new A, I'll create the object and use obj.x is equals to something like 10, obj.y is equals to 20, and then I'll say obj.display. So it will display the values of x and y as 10, 20. Okay, so let us come to the main class. In the main class, just create an object of class B. So B object, new B, and using this object, call m1 method. Right. Save this program. Open the command prompt. Go to your working directory and compile the program. Object as class data member, example1.java, and run it. Right. So class A x y 10 20. So here we'll display one message also here just before display system dot out dot println. Here we'll write using m1 method. Okay, using m1 method class A 10 20 should be displayed. So recompile. Okay, so we are supposed to keep a semicolon at the end of println method. Recompile and run. So using m1 method class A xy 10 20. Now same, I'll take one more method in class B, void m2. This is second method in class B. Now here also I'm creating an object of class A. Okay, right. So what we'll do, obj is equals to new A. So object is created and reference is available in obj, and obj is a data member of class object as data member of class A in class B. So here I'll change the values obj.x 100, obj.y 200. So here I'll write using m2 method obj.display. Right. So finally come to the main class. In main class I'll say object.m2 method. I'm calling the second method of class B. So now here x, y values of class A should be displayed as first time 1020, second time using M2 method 100 and 200. So this is what is reusability with object of another class as a data member in your class. Another class is class A, your class is class B, and you are reusing this object in M1 method xy display, M2 method xy display, and we are changing the properties and using it 1020 in the first case, 100 and 200 in the second case. So this is how we are supposed to work with object as class data member in Java program. Advantage is reusability of code using the object, and technical it is known as a relationship, and this concept is called as composition or aggregation. Right. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.